Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to open an online booking on Vagaro. Vagaro is a great platform for booking appointments online. It's easy to use, and it's very customizable. I'm going to assume that you already have a Vagaro account. If you don't, you can sign up for a free trial here. Once you have a Vagaro account, you can log in and start creating your online booking page. Creating your online booking page. Click on the Booking tab at the top of your Vagaro dashboard. Click on the Create New Booking button. Enter the name of your service. Select the date and time of your service. Enter the price of your service. Click on the Create Booking button. Once you have created your booking, you can customize it by adding a description, adding photos, and adding a link to your website. You can also add a Book Now button to your website or blog. This button will take your visitors directly to your Vagaro booking page. Managing your online bookings. Once you have started using Vagaro, you will need to manage your bookings. You can do this by clicking on the Bookings tab at the top of your Vagaro dashboard. You can view, edit, and delete your bookings from this page. You can also send and receive emails to your clients from this page. Additional tips. Make sure that your online booking page is easy to use and navigate. Use high-quality photos of your services. Add a call to action button to your booking page. Promote your online booking page on your website, social media, and in your email newsletter. I hope this video has helped you learn how to open an online booking on Vagaro. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.